A Lecture Upon the Shadow by John Donne. Stand still, and I will read to thee a lecture, love, in love's philosophy. These 3 hours that we have spent, walking here, 2 shadows went along with us, which we ourselves produced. But, now the sun is just above our head, we do those shadows tread, and to brave clearness all things are reduced. So whilst our infant loves did grow, disguises did, and shadows flow from us, and our cares. But now 'tis not so, that love has not attained the highest degree, which is still diligent lest others see. Except our loves at this noon stay, we shall new shadows make the other way, as the first were made to blind others. These which come behind will work upon ourselves, and blind our eyes. If our loves faint, and westwardly decline, to me thou, falsely, thine, and I to thee mine actions shall disguise. The morning's shadows wear away, but these grow longer all the day. But oh, love's day is short, if love decay. Love is a growing, or full constant light, and his first minute, afternoon, is night.